Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix story highlights on Facebook. So go for your profile, then go for settings and privacy, go for settings. After that scroll down little bit and go for stories, go for story archive. You have to turn on it, then go for back and uh, go for back again, click on your profile, go for about, and if your featured is on only me, then you have to do it on public. You have to do it on public here. So I have already in public. Then just after that you can go for your archive and you can do your story, archive story, make your archive story on your featured. You can make it on featured. You can see if I go for okay about, and you can see this is here. So that's it. This is how you can make it fix the problem, solve. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.